Do you want to speak English in the kitchen? Today, you'll learn easy English that people use every day. Just listen and repeat with me. By the end of this lesson, you'll speak with more confidence. Hi, I'm Alice. Welcome to Chris Verse. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing? I'm making breakfast. Can you help me? Sure. Please wash these tomatoes. Okay, I'll wash them now. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you cut the tomatoes? Yes, I can. Please cut them into small pieces. No problem. What do we need next? We need an onion. Can you peel the onion? Of course. Be careful with the knife. Don't worry. I'll be careful. Great job. Thank you. Cooking together is fun. Yes, it is. Can you get the eggs? Sure. Here they are. How many eggs do we need? We need 3 eggs. Please break them into the bowl. Okay. Can you mix them? Yes. Mix them well. Like this? Perfect. Now add a little salt. Done. Very good. Is the pan hot? Yes, it is. Please add some oil. Okay. Now pour the eggs into the pan. Done. Can you stir them? Yes. They smell really good. I know. Breakfast is almost ready. That's great. I'm hungry. Me too. Can you make some coffee? Sure. How much coffee do you want? Just 1 cup. Do you want sugar? Yes, please. How about milk? Just a little. Here you go. Thank you. It smells wonderful. I hope you like it. I'm sure I will. Everything is ready. The breakfast looks delicious. Thank you for helping me. My pleasure. Let's eat together. Sounds great. This food is really tasty. I'm happy you like it. Let's clean the kitchen after breakfast. Good idea. Teamwork makes everything easier. Absolutely. Let's enjoy our meal. Can you pass me the bread? Sure. Here you are. Thank you. Would you like some butter? Yes, please. How much butter do you want? Just a little. Okay. Do you want some jam too? Yes, I do. Strawberry or orange? Strawberry, please. Here you go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Breakfast is ready. Let's eat. This breakfast is delicious. Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Can I have some more juice? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. What's for lunch today? I'm thinking about making chicken and rice. That sounds great. I can't wait. Me neither. Can you help me clean the table? Sure. I'll clean the table. I'll wash the dishes. Thank you. No problem. Please dry the plates. Okay. Where should I put them? Put them in the cabinet. Done. The kitchen looks nice now. Yes, it's clean and tidy. Great teamwork. What do we need from the supermarket? We need milk, eggs, bread, and fruit. Should we make a shopping list? Yes, that's a good idea. I'll write everything down. Don't forget the vegetables. You're right. Anything else? Maybe some cheese. Perfect. Let's go after breakfast. Sounds good. I really enjoy cooking with you. Me too. It's fun and easy. We always help each other. Yes, teamwork is important. We also learn new recipes. That's true. Cooking together saves time, and the food tastes better. I agree. Let's cook together again tomorrow. I'd love that. Excellent job. You just finished another shadowing English practice lesson. Keep listening, repeating, and speaking every day. Small practice every day brings big results. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Chrisverse, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Speech balloon. Now leave a comment and write, "I speak English with confidence." I can't wait to read your comments. I'm Alice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.